Hey there, crypto and DePIN enthusiasts. Today I'm excited to share my experience with Koii nodes and why I believe they're a game changer in the Web3 space. For the past few months, I've been earning Koii tokens passively by running a Koii node. But why am I so interested in this project? Let me break it down for you. 1. They're part of the DePIN revolution. Koii's network of task nodes can host various microservices, potentially offering a more attractive and cost-effective alternative to traditional hosting giants like AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. 2. They have tokenomics that make sense. The network's reliance on node operators staking Koii tokens creates a balanced ecosystem. As more projects and developers join, we're looking at a controlled supply with increasing demand. 3. There's room for diverse reward opportunities. As Koii's ecosystem expands and new partnerships form, I believe there's potential to earn tokens from other projects, not just Koii, by running tasks on the network. Throughout my journey, I've picked up some tricks to optimize my node's performance and maximize my earnings during their testnet, which is underway right now. If you haven't set up your Koii node yet, stick around. I'll walk you through the process and share some valuable tips along the way. Let's get started with installation and setup. Now we're going to use the download link I provided for you in the description. It just sends you to the Koii website where we can download the node. We'll click download now. And then after it finishes downloading, we'll go to the install and setup. As you can see, it doesn't matter what you're using. It'll download automatically for you. So if you have Windows, Mac, or Linux, this will work. So now that we download it, we can install it. I already have it installed, but I will replace it. There, fast as that. I'll just go command space, Koii node. And there, it's ready. And it may go through a couple of restarts, but it'll bring you to the set up your PIN section. So let's create a PIN. Agree to term of service. Name my account. I'll name it Nemo account. Create new account. Now don't forget to back up your seed phrases and keep it in a safe place. I'm just going to skip it for the sake of this tutorial. And then we will get directed straight to the Faucet because we need some Koii tokens to start our first task. We'll get some Koii. So I'm only going to do the email verification step, but I recommend you do as many as possible to get as many Koii tokens as possible so you can have the best start. So I'll use an email I made for this guide for the email verification step. I'm going to copy that here, verify, and there I just earned my first 2 Koii tokens. But I can also amplify that from using a referral code from an existing account. So I can either get a referral code from my friend, family, someone in the Discord community, or you can get one from the description of this video. I'll put that here. So if you run all these other verification steps, that'll increase your extra tokens after 1 week. And there we go. So I'm done. Open my node. I wanted to point out that if you leave the Faucet site, you won't see another button in the node app that brings you back to it. You can go straight to the Faucet at faucet.koii.network. It will require you to set up Koii's proprietary Finny wallet, and that should work. But here's a shortcut in case you want to go back and complete some more tasks. Browser URL bar. After the Faucet URL, add / key =, and then insert your wallet address. You can get your wallet address from the bottom left corner of the node app. You can see I can go back and complete some more tasks and get some additional Koii rewards in case I didn't complete all the tasks in my first try. So we're back to the Koii node where you can see our balance has been loaded to Koii. And there's actually the free token task available for us to stake it quickly. So we can just click confirm. And this may take a couple of moments. And if it takes too long for your liking, you can just skip ahead and I'll show you how to do it manually. Okay, so currently the simple task isn't working, but I'll take you to the next best step. So we're at our main page of the Node app, and we'll go to add task. And the easiest task to use that'll give you rewards right now is the inflation monitoring tool from Trueflation. And we can see some information when I open it up, and all I have to do is click the play button and then run task, and then wait a short period of time. And after a brief moment, the task should appear in your My Node page. So as you can see, the task appeared, and we are currently earning rewards, and 118 minutes next until I'll earn my next batch of Koii. So it's as simple as that. And if you want to add more tasks in the future, it's essentially the same process. But one more thing is you'll want to turn on networking. And the node will restart, and then you can just let it run and earn your rewards. Congratulations on running your first task. I also have some tips to share with you in order to optimize your earnings and also your Koii node operations. Firstly, after you've been running your first task consistently enough to earn rewards, you can claim your rewards and either stake them to a task where you've already staked tokens, or diversify and choose a different one. Some tasks require additional parameters like Twitter login information. Rest assured that these details are not sent anywhere and are stored locally, so you shouldn't be concerned about security. However, as a conservative precaution, you can set up an alternative Twitter account for these Twitter-related tasks. Secondly, make sure to read the description of the task before deciding where to stake additional Koii. Some may not give any immediate rewards or any rewards at all. For example, the Big task doesn't give any Koii rewards, but it could give you a different reward in the future. Another example is the Bumbacat task. This doesn't give you any immediate rewards, but it does indicate that you will receive a KPL token as a reward, and that's likely for when Koii's mainnet is live. With multiple tasks running, you should check your available resources, because these Koii node tasks will consume RAM while running. And if you are limited and you still need to use your computer for daily tasks, I highly recommend checking out the scheduling mechanic. You can schedule it to run for specific periods of time and even set specific tasks to run on that schedule. Finally, the easiest way to compound is to simply spread the love and take advantage of Koii's referral program. You can get your referral code in the bottom left section of your Node app, or you can also go straight to the referral section. Both yours and the referee's node can earn an additional 70 Koii per month, and you can help expand the Koii community. It's a win-win. So now you're ready to join the quickly growing Koii community of over 80,000 nodes to date. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always check out the official Koii tutorials linked in the description, or the Telegram or Discord communities also linked in the description. I think they're the best place because it's very important to get involved in this if you're running a node. So take care, have fun getting involved in DePIN, and enjoy your passive rewards, and don't forget to click the referral link in the description when you're setting up your Koii node.